Okay, then I'm back again. I went over to the parts store and picked me up a air filter for that little Jeep, and I picked me up a tag too. And my thinking is that this little car here is awesome for going from one side of the country to the other, but it ain't got no snow tires on it. And if I need a pizza from the pizza store right up there at the top of the hill, sometimes this won't make it when it's all froze over. I was thinking, well, I could poke me a tag on this Jeep here, and that could be my pizza go-getter, and it would give me a chance to drive it. I came out last night, turned all the lights and signals on, and everything was working. So, got a little rust repair that needs to happen, but it don't need to happen just immediately, and the tires are pretty good on it. So, I decided, okay, I'm going to throw a tag on this baby, put an air filter in it, and we'll drive it a little bit this winter. Notice that I fixed the hood latch, and oh, just look at it, it's so easy. See how easy that was? So let's see if y'all can sit right over here. Maybe I'll reverse and locate the camera, get you looking in my general direction more or less. Can you see me in there? Yeah, that wind's blowing, it'll knock y'all over if I ain't careful on this. Maybe I can get over in here and put that new filter in here. I might think that old breather, air compressor, and blow it out a little bit or something. Hold the jaw. UPS truck must have brought me something. Might have to take y'all and hide you away inside where the mean old wind can't get you. Yep, maybe I better cut you off. Ooh. Okay, I got my air cleaner on there and I got my tags on there, so about as legal as I'm gonna get. Excuse me, losing my voice maybe a little bit. I'm gonna run up to the gas station, get me some gas in this thing. I might drive it up and down the road a little bit, see if she shimmies or shakes or vibrates or does any of them things. And maybe drive it enough to see if the heater works. Oh, the joy. Yeehaw. All right in here. I wonder, I got to wondering if I could clamp this camera right into that. And even though I'm turned crooked, that might work. More or less. For driving camera. Oh, joy. I'd drive it up here and put some gas in it. Ooh. Got much of a voice right now. Whee!